In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to 1v1 in Battlefront 2 with friends. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna be talking about which options you have to 1v1 in Star Wars Battlefront 2. Now, as weird as this is, EA has never bothered to add an official 1v1 mode. What this means is that you cannot simply create a private lobby and have your friends join you. This is extremely unfortunate because it would be extremely convenient and speed up the process. So what players have done is that they have discovered workarounds to get essentially a 1v1 mode. So for this workaround, the very first thing that you and whoever is going to play, as many friends as you have, need to change this under the options and then EA account settings. So go to options, select EA account or the multiplayer category, whatever you see, and once you arrive at this page, go to multiplayer settings. All of you need to change the ping site. Basically, you want to choose a ping site that is the same. This way, whenever you queue up together, there is a chance that you will get a server all for yourselves. So change the ping site. You want to choose something where the ping is still okay, but it is obscure enough to where other players might not be queuing. And you can choose a specific time of day to try this. So once you choose the ping site for everyone who is going to be playing, you can go into the multiplayer tab. Now, the most popular game mode to set up custom 1v1 lobbies is going to be Heroes and Villains. So this is where most people will go to set up their 1v1 lobbies. The modes here will host up to 8 players and a minimum of 4. And Hero Showdown is what we're looking for. If you have 3 friends with you, so 4 players in total, this is going to be by far the best choice because you will be able to fill out a full lobby. So as long as the ping site was the same and all of you queue for the same time, you will get a server all for yourselves. And by doing this, you can essentially do a tournament, do 1v1 battles, and so on. Even if you have only one other friend with you, you can still queue up. Even though you might get 2 random people with you, you can still do 1v1s on your own. Just make sure that you queue up at the exact same time. And of course, if you have a full lobby of 8 players, Heroes versus Villains might be better. I hope I was able to help you on how to 1v1 in Battlefront 2 with friends. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.